Today I'm going to show you how to change the vent valve for the 8.8 rear end on the Ford. And in this particular case, it's going to be done on a 2012 Mustang. I'll put the part number in the description below so you can link to that. This video is provided as is, and obviously use all the precautions when you're doing this. In this particular case, the rear driver's side is where you can access the vent valve in question, and it's going to be located right there. And you can actually see where it's leaked out, caused issues. Just use your wrench to remove that old one. You can see it just fits right down in there. You see that comes right off. Would recommend cleaning that off too. I actually used some awesome degreaser to get that clean. As you can tell, it's a lot cleaner now. Just hand thread it back on. And then finish tightening with your wrench. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Appreciate it. Thanks.